G'day everyone. I'll do a little video on where I am getting my gold from. So I'm digging out the bottom of this bank. I'm going to dig in a bit closer to this stump. There's a stump just right here. I'm going to dig a bit closer to that stump. It's pretty deep, about 1.5 feet deep. I think I'm going upstream a bit more to find a bit more gold. Okay. Alright. Was working in there. I was doing alright. And then I moved around here into this little hole in there. That's alright in there. And then I thought I'd have a go down in here where the shovel is. Just down in here. And I got first pan of the shovel like this. Got it all in there. Just one shovel, that's alright. Yeah. Just one shovel. We'll suck that up and then we'll get it back to it. Right, I'm going to pan this back. Very nice material, that. This is my third pan. I forgot the video of the second pan because I was too excited when I panned it back. Let's pan this one back. Took a glimpse of it before and it's bloody magnificent. I already see a little bit in there. And it's one-handed. These ones out of the way. Look at that, nice big pieces. Wow. Wow. Alright, everyone, this is the cleanup for today after probably like 6 pans. Let's see. Some of this water. There's little sparkles all the way around here. Little sparkle gold, little sparkles. Like and subscribe for more content.